Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming power and proximity. Make sure the Airpods in case have charge and that the Airpods sit correctly in the case. Turn Bluetooth on the device and keep it within a few feet. You want a stable, low-interference link. Once done, close audio apps and disconnect or power down other Bluetooth devices. These often steal the pairing window. If you're on iOS, open the case near the phone. On other platforms, go to Bluetooth settings and prepare to add a new device. Next, perform a targeted reset and pairing sequence to clear any stale connections. Remove any previous Airpods entries from your device's Bluetooth list so it won't try auto-connecting to an old profile. With the case open, press and hold the Setup button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. That resets the firmware handshake. Then follow your device's pairing flow. Accept the iOS pop-up or choose Add Device on Android or Windows. Finalize by checking both earbuds output and the mic route in the audio settings, and install any pending firmware updates for the Airpods if available. If the connection drops or pairing fails repeatedly, reboot your phone, forget the Airpods in Bluetooth settings, then repeat the reset and pair sequence to remove corrupted profiles. Once done, test with a second device to isolate the issue. If it still will not connect, gather serial and battery info and contact vendor support or Apple for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.